Alright, this is a simple and fast review of the LHOTSE rechargeable work light. We'll unbox it and demonstrate it. Key components, USB-C charging. It's got a magnetic and detachable base. So you'll see this base and then you'll see the actual light and we'll be able to detach it. Which means that we can also hook it as well, and then the actual base as a adjustable height. So I've been really looking forward to this thing. You can use it in all kinds of different places, in your basement, in your outside, if you're barbecuing, camping, any kind of workshop. I'm going to use it actually for additional lighting on some of my videos, and also in my basement. So the great thing is it's portable. It doesn't require a plug. So that makes it super easy. It's got a number of different lighting modes, which we'll demonstrate, and really the only thing that it can't do is be around water. So let's get it open, let's demonstrate it, and show you what it's all about. All right, so let's get it unboxed. And one of the first things that I noticed, which I love, is it's got its own little carrying case. Which is super cool, super convenient, especially if you're going to be working outside or camping or anything like that. Inside, let me bring this in a little bit. You'll probably not see it very well with the light, but it's been latched in with some Velcro straps, and then of course the actual light has a little bag area as well that again is Velcro. So very cool stuff. Let's get it get it out. As you can tell, it is well protected. Whether you choose to keep these or not, you'll have some bubble wrap on the actual light itself. And again, this is the bottom part. So you'll see magnetic capabilities. So it'll magnet in place. You'll have your instructions, your USB-C charger. This looks like it's a pretty decent size, so probably about 1 to 2 feet. So if you do need to keep something plugged in while charging or anything like that. And of course, you have your stand, which again is adjustable. So you'll see a push button. So you just push the button at the bottom and it should pop out, and it gives you instructions on how to do that here. One thing I don't love is that it started to tear, so I'm not a fan of that. I'll work to get that part off. But we'll push and it'll open up, and then of course pretty wide base, very wide base, and then of course adjustable, 3 levels. So you probably won't be able to see it fully. So I'll try and back out a little bit. Here, we'll adjust the camera height to show I'm about 6'1". So to give you some perspective, it's probably about about 4 feet high there, and then really this is just going to screw in, but it's also magnetic. So this is screw in right here, and then you'll see, hopefully, we have push button power, and then we have the adjustable lighting button. We'll tighten that up so that we can see it a little bit better. So different levels and some flasher, and then this is really cool. So let's see, sorry, it's saying this part can only be rotate in this direction, so it can only rotate in one direction. So that's something to consider as we pull these out. You'll see that they can hang if needed. Let's get it unscrewed here. Show you again off the base. I'm going to show you the hanging position. Can literally just hang, and then of course the cool thing is these do move and are adjustable. down to a pretty significant amount. But then they do rotate as well. So I just want to show you that the one thing they do is they only turn in one direction. So you can kind of helicopter it if you need to in different ways for lighting, but it only will work in one direction, and it's a 360, almost 360 light adjustment there. So again, it kind of clicks back into place, and turn it off to do this here. Again, height adjustable, so very sturdy. And then of course you have your USB charging area. I'm not sure if you're going to see that or not, but there's actually 2 different USBs there, so it looks like you'll be able to pull some power from this if needed as well. So I'm going to get it charged up and test that out. All right, so it is input and output, so you can charge your device on this if needed, which is pretty spectacular. And then I'm just going to cycle through the power real quick, so you see that there's multiple. There's just the regular lighting. There's a softer lighting, and then there we go, a spotlight as well. So you won't really be able to see the power in the light, but you can kind of see off my wall here that it does have a little bit of spotlight capability. So once again, with that, we can also fluctuate, between high, low. There's like 4 different choices here. So just something to consider, again, with the type of light that you're going to be working with. So a lot of great functionality, and it does look like this does all these things work the same way. So very excited about this light. Hopefully I've given you a good demonstration, and the only thing to really test out is the length of charge. But quite frankly, that's going to be up to you on how often you use it and how often you keep it charged. So I think what it says is at full brightness, it's going to give you 5 hours, and at the lowest brightness, it'll give you 10. But again, that's how often you charge and everything like that. So thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps you with your decision-making process.